I love my Apple devices, and these 3 continuity features changed my life. I bet you're not using all of them. This Apple feature allows you to begin work on one device, such as your iPhone, and seamlessly transfer it to your other device, such as your MacBook, without missing a beat. Make sure this setting is turned on for all of your devices. This is under your AirPlay settings. Make sure Handoff is turned on. Within my Mac, I will select my system settings. I will go to AirPlay and Handoff. Allow handoff between this Mac and your iCloud devices. I'm typing this email, and I would really prefer to finish typing this on my computer. Navigate to the right-hand side of your dock to find your application you are trying to hand off. I have my mail application located here with my device in a circle. I will open this up, and it will seamlessly pick up my draft email I was composing on my phone on my computer. How to turn your iPad into a second monitor. Navigate up to the control panel on the top right corner of your computer screen. Select this icon. You should have 2 rectangle boxes here. This is your screen mirroring option. If you select this, your iPad will show up on this list. I will select Jessica's iPad 10 to extend or mirror my display. I will be notified on my iPad to enter in my passcode or use your Touch ID or Face ID. Select the 2 purple rectangle options at the top of your computer. From here, you can toggle between mirror your built-in Retina display or use as an extended display. For further and more advanced settings, select display settings at the bottom. I will select arrange at the bottom, and then I can use my cursor to drag my iPad screen over to the left. So now as I'm working between both displays, my cursor will move appropriately. I will open up Safari, and with my cursor on my computer, I will click down and scroll over to my display. My iPad is now being used as an extended display. Wirelessly interact with your iPhone applications straight from your computer. On your MacBook computer, locate the icon that has 2 iPhones on it. This is your iPhone mirroring application. Select continue when you're ready. I will enter in my passcode to unlock my iPhone and use it on my Mac. I will select allow to allow notifications from my iPhone. Click the blue Get Started button. Use your Mac computer passcode or Touch ID to get in. It will prompt you to require Mac login to access phone. I will select Ask Every Time. I can simply respond to this text message from my Mac computer using my Mac keyboard. Navigate to your waffle 9 dots to go to your home page of your iPhone. I truly hope this video helped you manage your digital workspace. My name is Jessica, and I will see you in the next video.